Okay guys, we're out here. It's about to sight in our new thermal scope here that Adam bought from ATN. It's the, which one is it? Thor 4.
It's a 640.
640. And we've got some company here that's we're gonna have to wait for them to go through so we can take a shot. We don't really want to spook them too much, but they seem to not really care we're here. So we're going to get started at this and see if we can get Adam's scope sighted in, and just watch them just take off here and ease their way out here. And they don't really care we're here. But anyhow, here's the new setup we got here. Adam got him a, let me zoom out here so it looks good. 243 and an AR 10 platform, and it's a 640 by 480, the Thor 4, and it's a 40. It's a 4x40 power. So we're going to try to get it sighted in now, and then we're going to shoot mine too, make sure it's still on. So stay tuned.
Alright, we're going to try to get this thing sighted in. I bought some of these 1776 ammo. They're 62 grain. It's called the Varmint Grenade. They're kind of like a hollow point. I'm having trouble finding the Hornadies that I like, so I bought these. Was going to try them out and see how they shoot, but we'll get one in here and see how it goes.
Okay.
Fire in the hole.
Well, that sent the deer company away to see how we did.
Just hope we hit it.
Yep.
The thing that's wild about this, we've got a hot hands taped to the target so we can see the target in order to sight it in. It's a different deal.
Oh yeah. We hope we're on target, but I don't. Wait a minute. Oh, you are. No. Well. No. No. Oh, not on target. So.
Thing you can't tell where it hits if you're not looking. That ain't good.
So we're gonna have to get us a bigger piece of cardboard or something to see where this thing hit at.
That's the thing, I can't see where it... Maybe you're gonna have to watch with binoculars or something. See if you can see where it...
Okay guys, we're going to try it again. We got us a little bit better board. A little bit better board to shoot at, so maybe we can see where it misses. So Adam's going to shoot again. I'm going to watch for him. Well, We're going out to see where it hit now. It's the second shot. We put a board behind it, hoping we can see where it hit. So we're gonna find out. And I think it's on paper now. So.
Better be glad we didn't set it down an inch farther.
No. So we're
2.5 feet or so high.
Here's our hot hand we're looking at. And here's the bullet right there. So we're gonna do like we did on mine. And I'm gonna stand here and point at it, and Adam's gonna have to raise it to it. So that's what we're gonna do.
We got it on paper, so we had to raise it about 2 feet. So we're gonna see if we get close.
As I stood there and held my finger.
I'm gonna shoot Gatlin's finger here. Here we go. I see the heat off of it. Dead on
right.
high.
You're to the right.
I'm to the right about 2 inches.
So shoot one more and just see if that's a group there. And
I did. I seen the bullet hole.
And we'll just go from there. And then we'll adjust again.
It's right there with it.
Okay. Now, I'm gonna go move it, just move it over some.
Yeah, that's all we gotta do.
That's all you gotta do is just move it over some and you'll be good.
Let's say I can do that. You
Okay.
Go out there.
Move that over and shoot again. And we should be in good shape.
Alright. I've not got them in the clip because it came with a 25 round clip and that's a little too big.
Yeah. All you need is about a 5 round or 10.
10 at the most.
10 at the most. You never need really more than that.
5 would be great. I just gotta get on the goggle and order me one. Alright, let's try this. I didn't see it light up on the thing.
Gonna have to go look at that one. We had our GoPro supposed to be charged. This is not going to be the best footage we've had, but for some reason it's not. The batteries are going dead on me. It hasn't been long since I charged them, so that's just what we got to work with today. So we're going to see where we hit at here. Okay, so
this was the first one. That was the first one after we brought it down. That was the second one. Then we moved it. Then that one, and then that one.
So it's the same group. We just need to bring it about right
It needs to hit
there.
right there.
So I wouldn't move it this way, just straight up.
Yeah.
So not exactly a one shot zero, but we're getting there.
Ah, 1 box 0.
1 box 0.
Yeah. 20 shells. Alright, where I got this new, I haven't created a profile for the bullets yet, but apparently I've created a profile for one gun before on the Excite, the day-night, but you can create a profile for this bullet on this gun. Then you can change bullets and create a different profile. Then we could even put it on Gatlin's gun and create a profile for it, where we could switch this scope back and forth if we wanted to.
But we're not going to do that.
I don't know how close that would be, but I've heard of people doing it. So I think we've got this one pretty close here. We're gonna shoot another one and see.
And if we're on the money, we're gonna quit wasting ammo. There you go.
Guess I better put my ears in. My non-OSHA approved ears. That was good.
That is so loud.
Is it?
Yes.
Shoot one more here. Hopefully we're good. Bring on the meat.
We're gonna see where his last one's hit, and I believe we're gonna just stop.
Money, dude.
And so his last two,
Look where,
literally,
look where it busted that hot hands and threw it on.
yeah. I believe that's pretty good.
Your weapon will kill.
Yep. Yep. So we're good with that one. I'm gonna shoot mine here in a minute because I readjusted the scope rings on it. So
I guess we can take the hot hands off.
okay, guys, we are back, and I'm gonna sight mine in now. Adam's got his all zeroed in, good to go. Mine was shooting low, but I had somebody comment on our last video, and they were right. I needed to adjust where my scope rings were at on my mount, and the reason I originally had it the way it was because I had to mount my light. So I brought it back, moved the light scope mount, and got everything on top of the upper instead of on back here instead of on the handguard. So we're just going to have to shoot at it and see if it's still hitting where I want it to, or if it's off any, and I don't know until we shoot it. So we'll find out here in a minute. I've got to get it off of night vision mode, but I wanted everybody, you know. Okay, that's off. There we go. Okay. So let's see what it's going to do here. Get my muffles on. It's a little different shooting these coats because it's so cold out here, so I'll find out where it hits. Here we go.
To the left about 3.5 inches. You're straight left. Your height's pretty good, but well, you're about that high above the line, and you're probably 3.5 inches to the left.
Yeah, I'm gonna shoot it again, and I need to adjust this back here some. Here we go.
Yep. You about cut the hole out.
Okay. Adam went out there and held his fingers. So
I don't
could
have any
move.
binoculars.
Huh.
Slide me your binoculars.
he held his finger so I could. He held his finger so I could move the target over. That's about the only way you can do it. You can't really see the hole where you shoot at the targets with this thing, but I think I've got it zeroed in. Hopefully, we're going to send some more rounds and see what it looks like here. Okay. Well, let's go see what the outcome is. Hopefully.
I think your first one hit right to the left of the 2 holes that I put above the box, and then your second one was a little farther left.
Let's go see. Okay, guys, we adjusted again, and I hope that it hits where I want it to. So I have to quit wasting ammo. But we're going to shoot again and see what happens. Hopefully it's the last shot.
You're right at the left corner of the box. Oh, go ahead.
Where do you think it hit?
You might have went in about the exact same hole on that second one.
Okay, guys, we're done sighting in our rifles for the day. Adam's is shooting just perfect. Mine's, I think it's just right where I need to shoot at too. So if you like our videos, and we can keep making them, if you subscribe to our channel and you like it and share it. So we'd appreciate that if you could do that.
We're hoping we're going to have some pretty good footage with this new thermal. It's super clear at super long distances, so we hope we got some good stuff coming. All we got to do is get some dogs headed our way, and we'll have some good footage. So,
thanks for staying tuned to Furs and Fins Outdoors.
peace! All them fishermen, they go,